Get yourself a copy of the free GDoc Creator. It lets you create, print, and view your Microsoft Office docs to PDF or XPS. Download a copy right now at butterscotch.com/gdoc. That's butterscotch.com/gdoc.
Welcome back to our special Butterscotch.com 10-part series on online tax preparation using TurboTax. This concludes our 10-part series, and our goal was to give you an overview of the features and functions available in TurboTax. It should be noted that if you should decide to use TurboTax for your own tax preparation, that the screens that you might see would differ from those that were presented in our tutorial series. If you decide to use TurboTax, you need to come to the home page, and I provided a link in the show notes to look through the various versions to determine which version might be right for you and your tax preparation needs. We hope you've enjoyed this special series on online tax preparation with TurboTax. I'm Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and as I like to say, that's all there is to it.